In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import cryptocurrency transactions into TurboTax. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to bring your crypto activity into your return using a CSV file, with a few helpful tips to keep things clean and accurate. Start on your TurboTax dashboard. Move your cursor to the income area in the main navigation to reveal the related options. Don't click yet. Just hover so the full list opens up. This is where TurboTax groups wages, interest, investments, and yes, cryptocurrency. From that menu, click Investments and Savings. Crypto is treated as property for tax purposes, so it lives in the Investments section alongside stocks, ETFs, and similar assets. Opening this area sets you up to enter sales, trades, and other taxable crypto events. Next, select Add Edit. This brings up the workspace where you can add new investment data or update what's already there. If you've never added crypto before, this is where you'll begin that process. When TurboTax asks whether you sold or traded investments, choose Yes. That includes crypto disposals such as selling for cash, swapping one coin for another, or using crypto to pay for something. Selecting Yes tells TurboTax to expect the details that will calculate your gains and losses. Now, in the search or selection field, type the word crypto. This narrows the choices so you can quickly find the crypto-specific import options. Typing instead of scrolling helps you avoid picking the wrong category and speeds up the workflow. From the results, choose Crypto CSV Upload. We're using the CSV route here as a clear, repeatable example. A CSV, or comma-separated values file, is the standard export you can download from most exchanges or portfolio trackers. Make sure the file you plan to upload is the latest export and includes key fields like trade dates, asset symbols, quantities, proceeds, fees, and cost basis if available. You'll see a drop zone that says something like Drop Docs. Drag your CSV into that area or click to browse and select the file from your computer. After it's added, TurboTax will read the file and line up the transactions. Take a moment to review what imports. If a cost basis or fee looks off, double check your original export and try again with a corrected file. Keep a copy of the CSV you use for your records. That's it. Hover on Income, click Investments and Savings. Open Add Edit, confirm Yes, type Crypto, pick Crypto CSV Upload. Then drop in your file. You're ready to review your totals and continue your return with confidence.